Hello and welcome to this lecture. Before I started 3D modeling, I was a graphic designer, and one of the things I did was design packages for food companies. When I started 3D modeling and working on UV unwrapping, I thought, hey, that looks a lot like making packages. Let me show you what I mean. A box like this is made of a flat piece of cardboard, and a printer prints the ink on it, and then it's folded together into a box. Painting an image on a 3D model works the same, although the other way round. We start with a 3D model. And to be able to put paint on it, we make a flat representation of the model. We have to let Blender know how to open the model, so we make seams. And seams are like the cuts on this box. We tell Blender, and I take this knife to illustrate, to cut here, here and there. In total there will be 7 cuts, so let's cut it open like that. That's one, and then there's a cut here, and there's another one, and there's another one, so we now have 6 seams, and then we have the last one, that's the one over here. We make a seam here as well. There you go, and now we can open up the box and flatten it down on a 2D image. And this 2D image is called a texture. And everything painted on this texture will be projected on the model. So for example, the top one here, and I have another box here, will be projected on this part of the model. Now let's continue with a quiz about the subject, and after that you can start unwrapping the well model you made. Okay, so let's continue to the next part. Bye bye.